Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to learn word problems of adding and subtracting fractions. So we will see how the question is look like in adding and subtracting fractions and what we need to do when we have word problems like these. So let's get started. The first question is Ria ate 1 over 4th of a pizza and her brother ate 2 over 4th. How much pizza did they eat altogether? So you can see Ria ate 1 over 4th of a pizza. And but we have the question how much pizza did they eat altogether? We need to focus on what they eat altogether. First we will write Ria ate 1 over 4th and then her brother. So I'm going to write here her brother ate 2 over 4th. Now the question is how much pizza did they eat all together? So you need to focus on all together. When you have a word like all together, it means you have to add your fractions. So 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. Now you can see your denominator is same. So you can add your numerators directly. So 1 plus 2 would be 3. And in adding fractions, denominator is always stay same. So this is how you solve fractions in adding with word problems. And now let's see the second question. Sam drank 1 over 3rd liter of water in the morning and 2 over 3rd liter in the afternoon. How much water did he drink in total? So you can see Sam drank 1 over 3rd liter of water in the morning. So I'm going to write first Sam 1 over 3rd morning and then 2 over 3rd in the afternoon. So I'm going to write afternoon here so we can see the difference. But they are asking how much water did he drink in total. So I'm going to write total here because we need to find the total. Because Sam doing something in the morning and afternoon and in total he is doing how much. So I'm going to write here 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Since we have the same denominator, we can add our numerators directly. So 1 plus 3 would be 3 and denominator is always same. Now you can simplify it and you got 1 here. Now we have the third question. A chocolate bar was 5 over 6th full. Maya ate 2 over 6th of it. How much chocolate is left? Now you can see here the question is asking how much chocolate is left. First I'm going to write Maya has 5 over 6th bar, right? So Maya has a bar 5 over 6th and then Maya ate 2 over 6th of it. Now question is how much chocolate is left. When the word is left there, what do you need to do? You need to subtract your fractions. So I'm going to write 5 over 6 minus 2 over 6. So you can see that we have the same denominator here. So we can subtract our numerators directly. 5 minus 2 would be 3. Now 3 and 6 has a common factor of 3. So I'm going to divide here with 3. And 3 divided by 3 would be 1 and 6 divided by 3 would be 2. Now you can see that the common factor of 1 and 2 is 1. So we cannot simplify it more. So this is our final answer. Now the fourth question. A bottle had 3 over 4th liter of juice. Tom drank 1 over 4th liter. How much juice is left? Again, the left word is there in the question. So we know that we need to subtract. So a bottle had, I'm going to write here, a bottle had 3 over 4th part liter of juice, right? And that Tom drank 1 over 4th part of liter juice. Now we need to find how much juice is left. So I'm going to subtract here 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Since we have the same denominator, we need to subtract. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and denominator is 4. So there would be 2 over 4. Now the common factor of 2 and 4 is 2. we need to simplify it, so I'm going to divide it with 2. And 2 divided by 2 would be 1, and 4 divided by 2 would be 2. So this is my final answer, because we cannot simplify it more, because the common factor of 1 and 2 is 1. I hope you get it, and I hope you learned it better today. And I'm going to bring more videos on fractions like multiplying, dividing, and maybe adding and subtracting fractions with the unlike denominators. So yeah, stay tuned. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye bye.